Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Revived Code. I'm Manushi. Today I am going to show you how to write a simple JavaScript function that prints all the names from a nested data structure like a tree. And we will also make it easy to see the levels by adding the space before each name. Here is the question. Given an array of objects where each object can have a children array like a tree, write a recursive function to print all the names values in the depth first manner. Example output. So here is the data. So we need to print the all of the names. Question is, given a tree like nested data structure where each item can have the children, write a recursive function to print the names of each item. The output should visually represent the depth of each item using indentation. Example, two spaces per level. Let's fix the problem. I created one JS file, depthfirstmanner.js, and here I'm just writing the code. I'm creating one function, any of the name. So I just given the name like print indented data and level equal to 0. First, creating the function, before that I just copy the data from here and paste it before the function. And here I just created one variable like this. So const data. So we need a data here. So that data means this array level equal to 0. Now I'm just writing the solution here. We are creating the loop first. Const any item of data. We can console here console.log dot first we'll write a recursive function to print all the names value in depth first manner. Next we are going to two space per level. So first I'm just console log here and repeat our level plus item dot we need to print the name, so that name item dot name. If item dot children, so we need to target also children, and item dot children dot length greater than 0. Then we need to print intended, that is the item dot children, and here we need to declare our function with data. Now I'm just open the terminal, and here I'm just run my code. Cd problem. Here I need to copy the name here, and here just run node. So we can see that our target result are CEO, CTO, dev manager, frontend dev, whatever our data is there. So first children, there is a name first. So CEO. Again within children there is a CTO. Another children there is an like dev manager, and within manager there is an another children. Two children are there. So both name is there. So all of the name is coming perfectly. So first result is, that is the write a recursive function to print all the name values in the depth first manner. It's coming perfectly. Next, here the second question, given a tree-like nested data structure where each item can have children, write a recursive function to print the names of each item. We already did. Next, the output should visually represent the depth of each item using indentation, that is the two spaces per level. So here only for the one just short code we need to add here, like after this item children. So here just need to add level plus 1, save it, and again we run our code, so we can see that, so we can see visually that this is the parent, then child. Within this child there is an another child is there. So within this child there is an two grandchild is there, like that it is coming. Now I'm trying to explain this function line by line. Function print indented data level equal to 0. This defines a recursive function named the print intended. It takes the data, determines an array of objects. There is an array with the objects of data. All the data is there. And level is an option number that the tracks how deep we are in the tree. Default start with the 0. Next, we are creating a for loop. This loop goes through the each item in the current data array. Example, if the data is the current tree, this loop starting with the CU, because we need to print the name. Next, we are creating the console log here. This line prints the name of the current node with indentation based on the level. If the children, if sorry, if item.children and item.children.length greater than equal to 0, then print intended item.children with level plus 1. This checks that the does the current node have a children property like this. We need to check that if this is a current property, current node. So here we need to check that in this current node have any child property, and is the children array is empty or not empty. If yes, it means the current item has child nodes. Then here the print intended item dot children and then level plus 1. This is the recursive call. It goes deeper into the tree by calling the same function again with the child array, that is the item dot children, and an increased level with level plus 1, that is the one level deeper. And this keeps repeating until there are the no more children. And next we just call the function name with data. That's it for today's video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tutorials. If you have any question, just drop a comment below. I will reply. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you in the next video.